Next we will add a form here. This form will have 3 fields in it. Create a table with a class of form group, and then we will have a label here. This label will be called name, and then we will have an input field here. This input field is of type text. It will have a class of form control. This form control class comes from Bootstrap, which applies some styling on the input field. It will have a name of name. Next we will copy this 2 times, and the next field will be called price. Let's change the text here to price. The next one will be called description, and the name will also be description. Now we can save our code and see our changes in the browser. Okay, now the changes are applied correctly, but the styling is not good, because the reason is we have not included Bootstrap in our project yet. So let's do that. We will come to getbootstrap.com and we will click on get started, and from here we can copy the CSS file. We don't need this JS file. We will not be using it. We will just copy the CSS, and in our Visual Studio Code we will go in index.html file, and under this link tag we will paste our style sheet. And once we save this, we can see in our browser that the UI is looking much better now. Let's come back in Visual Studio Code, and now we will add 2 buttons under this fields. The first one will be for resetting the form. This will be a button. It will have a type of button. The class will be Bootstrap button class, and it will be in red color, so we will apply button danger class. The text will be reset. Let's copy this code and paste it. Let's change the text to add product, and we will change the class from button danger to button success. It will give it a green color. Let's save this code and see our changes in the browser. You can see the button reset is in the red color and the add product button is in the green color, but we want to have this button on the right side, which is pretty simple in Bootstrap. All we have to do is apply the float right class, and the button will be moved to the right side.